Hello, guys. Say hello.
Hello.
Today I have a flashcards, and with the help of these flashcards, Divyansh will recognize which things are. We are going to study. Divyansh, what is this?
Hello.
Hi. First tell Mama, then Mama will show you on laptop, na? What is this?
Jeep.
Shape. What is this?
Dildo.
Same boat.
Yeah.
Boat.
Boy.
What is the difference between ship and boat? Boat is small and ship is big.
Big.
Okay. This
Okay.
is boat.
What?
This is ship.
Jeep. Mommy. Dildo.
What is this?
Dildo.
This is swan.
Dum.
Swan.
Yeah.
Swan is a bird.
Tutu bed.
Acha, what is the color of the swan?
Tutu.
Tutu swan. What is the color of the swan?
Blue.
Blue is water. What is the color of the swan? Color.
Blue. That bottle. Blue bottle.
Blue water. And what is the color of the swan? Bird. Which color of bird is this?
White.
White.
Boy.
White bird, no?
That's
This is white bird. What is this?
Dildo.
Sparrow.
Hello.
Sparrow.
Hello.
Sparrow.
Hello.
What is the color of the sparrow? Color. Color of the sparrow. First tell Mama color.
मम्मी नहीं पता.
Brown and white.
Brown white.
Brown white. ठीक है. These are two birds. Swan and sparrow.
Hello.
Okay.
Cosy.
Now what is this?
Dildo.
First tell you Mama na. What is this?
Dildo.
Parrot.
Dildo.
Parrot.
Bandit. Bandit.
Parrot.
Bandit.
Parrot.
Parrot.
These are parrots. Okay.
Okay.
What is this?
Dildo.
Peacock.
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 This is peacock.
Peacock. Diku.
Peacock.
Diku.
This is peacock. This is parrot. Parrot.
Parrot.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Now tell Mama, what is this? Swan. First tell Mama na swan.
Then
Sparrow.
Parrot.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Okay.
Correct.
Now what is this?
Dildo.
What is this?
Carrot.
Carrot. How many carrots are there?
Mama dildo.
Count. First count and then.
Dildo.
Divyansh.
Mama dildo.
Carrot. Now count carrots. How many carrots are there?
1, 2,
Count
3,
here.
4, 5, 6.
6. 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carrots.
6.
This is a digit of 6. Now what is this?
Dildo.
First tell Mama, what is this?
Mama dildo.
Capsicum.
Capsicum.
How many capsicum are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Only 5. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
This is a digit of 5.
5.
This is capsicum.
Capsicum.
Now what is this?
Dildo.
Capsicum.
Yes.
Capsicum.
Capsicum.
Capsicum. ठीक है? What is this?
Butcher.
Bus. And what is this?
Butcher.
I will show you. First tell Mama, what is this?
Train.
Train.
Butcher.
हाँ मैं दिखा रही हूँ बस.
Butcher.
Bus and train. bus. Okay. Now train. Train. Okay, Divyansh. Now what is this?
Blue color.
What is this?
Blue below.
Strawberry.
Blue.
What is the color of the strawberry?
That.
Red.
That.
And what is this?
Banana.
Banana. These are strawberries and these are banana. Okay. Now what is the
Banana.
banana? भी दिखाऊं. Banana. Okay.
Good.
What is this?
Leg.
Remove your finger. What is this?
No.
First time, Mama, what is this?
No.
Pear.
Yes.
This is pear. Pear. Okay.
Good.
Now what is this?
Giglo.
First tell Mama what is this?
Giglo.
Huh?
Giglo.
Huh. What is this? Grapes.
Giglo.
Grapes.
Giglo.
This is grapes.
Giglo.
Say grapes.
Grapes.
Angur.
No.
Grapes.
Grapes.
And what is this?
Grapes.
This is grapes. These are grapes and what is this? Pear.
Pear.
Okay. Now what is this?
Pear.
Pear मम्मी ने आपको पहले शो कर दी थी. What is this?
Pear.
This is pear. What is this?
Pear. Pear.
मम्मी ने आपको दिखा दी, मैं दिखाती हूँ दोबारा. What is this?
Pear.
फर्स्ट टेल मम्मा वरना फिर मम्मा शो नहीं करेगी आपको.
Pear.
पियर दिखाऊं दोबारा.
Pear जाओ. Pear आ जाओ.
Pear. This is pear. This is pear. Okay. Now what is this?
Car.
Car. And what is this?
Cycle.
Cycle. What is this? मैं दिखाती हूँ. Wait. फिर मम्मी ऐसे कुछ नहीं दिखाएगी दिव्यांश आपको.
Pen.
Plane. What is this?
Auto.
Helicopter.
Cycle.
Now what is this?
Cycle.
Huh?
Cycle.
No circle. This is pomegranate. Anar.
Cycle.
Anar. Pomegranate.
Can.
Pomegranate means anar. These are anar.
No. Zero.
What is this? Your favorite fruit.
Yes.
अभी बहुत सारे मम्मी आपको सारा दिखाएगी. वेट. What is this? Papaya.
Mommy जी पाते.
हाँ वेट. Papaya.
जी पाया.
Papaya.
जी पाया.
वो मैंगो है. This is papaya.
पाया.
And what is this?
Mom.
Anar.
No.
This is anar.
Tuta.
This is anar.
Tuta.
And what is this?
No.
Papaya.
पाया जाओ. No.
Papaya.
पाया. पाया जाओ. पाया जाओ. पाया.
Papaya. This is papaya. This is papaya. What is this? Mango.
मोटे का.
कोई बात. Mango.
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 This is mango.
Mango.
And what is this? Don't do this. What is this? Pineapple.
Pineapple.
See?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Pineapple.
ये है pineapple. Okay.
Okay.
What is this?
बच्चा खाजा.
कोई बात नहीं. What is this? ये जो आपने रात में खाया था. Yesterday.
कहूँगा.
Orange.
खाना.
खाने ना भी जाएंगे ऊपर पे खाएंगे. What is this? Orange.
तो दिन गंदा.
स्टडी करना है. गुड बेबी बनना. जल्दी से फिर मैं आपको पिक्चर दिखा रही हूँ. फिर मैं लैपटॉप में पिक्चर नहीं दिखाऊंगी आपको. What is this?
दिन.
Orange. Wait, Divyansh.
मम्मी.
And what is this?
नहीं.
Divyansh.
ऊपर.
Divyansh.
ऊपर चढ़ने.
No want to study. Huh?
No.
No. Lot of flashcards are remaining, Divyansh. Divyansh, come. Come here.
मम्मी दीदी है
So, guys, Divyansh doesn't want to study anymore. Okay, bye. That's all for today because he is not interested to study anymore. Bye.